How to check your laptop's brand and model number. Looking for a quick way to find your laptop's brand and model number? In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to find this information. The first method is to check the back of your laptop. Look for a product label or sticker, which usually contains the laptop's model number and other important details. If you can't find the sticker or the information isn't visible, don't worry. You can also find the model directly through Windows. Open the Start menu and search for System Information. Then, open the System Information app from the search results. Once it opens, look for the System Model section. Here, you'll find your laptop's brand and exact model number. You can copy this information and search for it online to find the exact model of your laptop, along with its specifications, drivers, and other details. And that's it. Now you know two easy ways to check your laptop's brand and model number. Please leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.